I'm here saying, shui. I'm hearing shit. It's s, right? Shui. Or is it shui?
This one from here. This one how to say? C. So 西约雪 yes 雪 it start with C not 是 C 雪 yes the same also like 谢谢 thank you C start with C so it's 谢谢 yeah this is the correct one 谢谢 also this one start with C so 雪 yeah 雪 yeah 雪 okay next page please 咖啡 yeah 可乐 next one 烤鸭 this is Beijing duck yes 烤鸭 next one 火锅 地图 next one 飞机 next one 毛笔 next one 耳机 okay let's read together okay also the four tones okay the first one 咖啡可乐烤鸭火锅地图飞机毛笔耳机 okay now below here right it's third 你好可以辅导 next 小姐 next 口语 next one good 语法 next one good 法语 next one good next one next good 雨伞 next one yes very good okay next okay that wait okay number 2 page lesson 2 Arab yeah pronunciation getting better and better page 9 yes page 9 okay start 山 wait yeah 菜 yeah 菜 next one 手 next this one yeah 云 next one 星 good 圆 next one next the last one 热 okay good 吃热吃 this one 吃 ignore no ignore is this one 吃 eat 吃饭吃披萨吃 hamburger right 吃 yeah no okay ignore 吃 yes The last one 是热，热。Yes. Okay. Next page. Okay. Let's read together. 冰箱，鸡蛋，司机 no e ignore e both no e okay just this one 司机 yes 司机 yes 司机 next one 足球 next 机场爬山手表熊猫 Okay, one more time. Read after me, please. 冰箱鸡蛋司机足球机场爬山手表熊猫 Question? Fine? Okay, now here. Ah, 妈妈 Okay. 妈妈爷爷奶奶爸爸 You see, Chinese language, we like to repeat very much. We call family like this 爸爸妈妈爷爷奶奶姥姥 so or 姑姑舅舅 so yes